Today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix the tailgate door lock. It doesn't work with the remote. So when you open this with the T30 screw bit, open all the screw around. Take a look at this. So this one doesn't work with the remote. So the actuator is supposed to turning up and down, but it doesn't work with the key. So before doing everything, just check your fuse. Come over here with me. So the fuse. Here the fuse plug from the driver's side. So there is nothing tell you about the fuse information for the tailgate, but on the side of the kick panel, open it up, and you will see the extra fuse they hide from here. This is actually for the tailgate, and the fuse is get burned out. Somehow it's sorted. So I will open it. And change. So change this. This is the 5 amp fuse. So and replace the fuse. Now come with me and check. See the actuator. See, now it's worked. It's get kicked back up, and now it's worked good now. And see this. Open it. Lock. Alright guys, that's how you change it and fix the tailgate door operation. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe me. Thank you.